Here's a quick guide on how to ruin your life. Start by blaming your parents, society, and the economy. Everything happening to you, totally their fault. Never take responsibility. Excuses are easier and way more fun than effort. After that, avoid hard things as much as you can, cause that's for hardworking people. Skip the gym, it's uncomfortable and you might get sweaty. Who needs discipline anyway? Instead, eat junk food. It's quick, easy, and your health can wait. Becoming obese is just a bonus. Then spend hours scrolling on social media. Compare your life to everyone else's highlight reel. Feel terrible about how amazing their lives are and feel the fear of missing out. Make sure you never meditate. That's for weirdos. And books, forget them. They are boring, outdated, and only for old people. Why expand your mind when you can stay stuck and try to stay up late till 6 a.m. in the morning and sleep as less as possible? And before bed, watch Con and Fab. Then go to sleep after watching the most stimulating thing you can find on internet. Finally, do nothing to improve your life. Stay distracted, stay uncomfortable, and let life pass you by. Then one fine day, find yourself on your deathbed, looking back at a life full of regrets. Realize you could have been more, done more, and lived more, but chose not to. If this is how your life looks like, and you're feeling stuck, like you have hit rock bottom, and are really struggling in life, you need more than just tips. Click on this video to make the greatest comeback of your life with the practical steps that worked for me. I'll see you there.